Hi, good evening. It is a pleasure to welcome all of you for Garmentech Bangladesh 22nd edition. And we as a company Veit from Germany been a part of this edition for the past 22 years. And this year, the focus is more towards automatic solutions where you can save energy and operator reliability to produce garments with higher quality. As we see, Bangladesh is gearing more towards high fashion garments. We are looking at giving solutions which are more semi-automatic and automatic compared to the garments like suits and pressing machines. So here we are actually trying to take the work of the operators and give it more towards the machine so that the people can benefit with lots of economical solutions to provide high quality garments. Wishing all the people in Bangladesh a very happy new year and a wonderful year ahead. Thank you.